Bienvenidos to another vlog. Welcome. So Vlogmas is obviously over, but I did want to vlog today because I'm doing a little bit of 2020 prep. I'm about to actually start with dyeing my hair. The first part of today's video is sponsored by e.salon. I'll talk a little bit more about them, but I had honestly never heard about them until they reached out to me, and it's so cool because they send you everything, like an entire kit of what you would need to dye your hair. So let me show you my hair before. Let me sit down. Oh, that's also why I have on this wrinkly faded black shirt, because I don't want to get hair dye all over my shirt. So my hair is not like super high maintenance when it comes to hair color anymore, because it's basically all one color and it doesn't have any highlights or dimension or anything like that. But as you can see, here's a before. The top of my hair, first off, don't mind, because I really need to wash my hair. I didn't want to wash it because I knew I was gonna dye my hair. Here's how it looks. So it looks still pretty good even after a while. The last time I dyed my hair, I only did my roots. And my main thing is getting rid of the two-tone color. So the top of my hair is still, the roots are still pretty dark, but here in certain light, like right here especially, it gets very reddish. And because I don't know about you guys, but after like a month or so, my hair just, even though it's a darker color, it's just not as shiny and as like pigmented as I would want it to be. I might do a little trim here and there. This year I do really want to let my hair grow out and just do occasional trims, because I haven't had my hair long in a minute. So yeah, anyway, let me show you what's in the box. So like I said, this is my first time trying them. So this is what the box exactly, this is what comes in the mail. It has like the address and everything back here. And then when you open it up, here's how it looks. They also send you some stickers so you can stick your instructions on the wall or on the mirror. Oh, this is a note that they sent me. Instructions, so these are the ones that you would tape up. A little bit more about the brand, some stickers, and then you get to the bottom, and here it has everything that I'm gonna need to dye my hair. So it comes with the brush, which you can use the brush or you can use your hands because you're gonna have gloves. It comes with the developer. This right here is the color. It's so cute because it says my name. It says Sabrina's color. I opted for the same, literally the same color that I have, just less brassy and a little bit more neutral slash ash. And then you also get the kit, which in here you have, I think it's shampoo. Yeah, shampoo, conditioner, a stain guard, which I've never used. It's gonna help to minimize the amount of stains that I get around my forehead and around my ears. And then you get a stain remover towelette, all in this little, oh yeah. Oh, this is cute. I like the packaging too. It's like simple and chic, but here you get all of that I just said. And then you get your gloves. So you literally have everything all in one little box. You don't have to go out and buy anything. The only thing you might have to buy if you prefer to do it this way is the bowl, a non-aluminum bowl if you want to mix it in the bowl. But for me, when I'm dyeing my hair on myself, I like to just mix it in the bottle, shake it, and then I apply it directly on my head. It's just easier for me. I'm excited. I have been wanting to dye my hair for the past like week already, but I was holding off so that I can film it, and now we can do it. So it tells me, so of course I'm gonna pull out the instructions first. I already know pretty much how to dye it, but I do want to make sure I'm doing it right. I did also get to talk to one of their colorists. They called and they kind of told me, they asked if I needed anything, if like exactly what color I was trying to achieve. They explained how to use everything, what to expect in the kit. So that was really helpful to have someone there, even though you do, you know, get this delivered straight to your door, and it's pretty convenient to do everything online and it's customized. It's nice to have that person that's still like, hey, if you need help, I'm a call away. Just call and let me know, you know, what you're stuck on, or if you need any help, or if the results come out a little different than you expect. so on and so forth. I'm covering the order details, but here you can see the color I got. I got dark brown ash. I am applying it from roots to end. It was actually prepared the day before Christmas Eve, and I'm just now getting to dyeing it, which is crazy. I've had it for a while. And then it says my colorist's name. I already brushed my hair, so I'm just gonna divide it into 4, which is what I normally do because it's helpful, but that's also what they recommend. Oh, I think it sends you 2 sets. Or maybe they accidentally put a, yeah, they put a, oh no, they do send you 2 sets of gloves. That's cool. I'm like already excited just thinking about having freshly dyed, washed, blow dried straightened hair. It just makes me feel really good when I like have myself together. Yesterday too, was it yesterday or the day before that, I went to go do my brows. I was tempted to go get my lashes, to get my lash extensions back, but I'm like, no, we need to wait a little bit longer. I do want to I want to try new lash techs because I've been going to the same place forever, which I love them. I do, you know, want to go back if I don't find anyone, but I also want to try new lash techniques because everyone does different techniques and uses different lashes and stuff. So I want to go somewhere new and see if I like it, but maybe in a few weeks or closer to my birthday. It does say to start with the roots, so I'm gonna do that. My roots are already pretty dark because, like I said, the last time I did this, I only did my roots and the dye was actually a little bit darker than the rest of my hair. So you start by applying it at the root, and then you can use the brush or you can use your hands, your fingers to just bring it down. Okay, my roots are pretty much all covered and done. So from here I can go ahead and unclip my hair one section at a time and kind of repeat the same thing, but I'm applying it to the rest of the hair.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
Now that it's done, I'm just gonna put my hair in one big section and then let it sit for a few more minutes and rinse it out, shower, blow dry, and straighten it. Here is how my hair color turned out. Absolutely love it. I'm so glad that I ended up picking this color because it's, in the sun you can tell it's like a brown, but then on camera and then like when you first glance at it, it kind of looks like it's more towards like a brown black, but it's really not. I love the way it looks. It also blends really well with my extensions. It looks more so like my natural hair color, so now when my roots grow out I don't have to worry so much about it being like super obvious or anything like that. And then after a few washes, obviously the color is going to fade and it's not going to be as intensely dark. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I have my extensions in. I did a little curl as well, just so you guys can see like the full effect. This is another task I have set for myself. I've been holding off on washing my brushes, so I'm gonna get to doing all of this. I removed the garland that we had right here and the little trees. Also the trees that I had in the bathroom. These were in our bedroom right here. They're out here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I just put them there for now. And then I have to clean up and kind of dust off right here because the garland was flocked. So there's a little bit of snow, like residue left over pretty much. And there you go, it's looking nice and clean. I have this cord they're still bothering me. I need to figure out what to do with that. Some of you guys said to extend the curtain more this way, but I don't want to do that just because you're going to be able to tell that there's no window right there, so it's going to look a little off. I don't know exactly. And then that cord is because we have lights outside and we have to connect them in here. But this side is clean. This side is pretty much kind of picked up already. It's just more so fluffing it up and making it look a little less messy. This is pretty much the last thing that we have to take down because the tree's already down. And now it's just this. And I feel like this side of the kitchen's gonna look so empty now. But maybe we'll find something else to put there. No. So now this is how the kitchen looks. It looks bare. I do still have to take this off, but it doesn't want to unstick. I do still have to take these. I'm probably going to take them to my mom's to put them in storage, all the ornaments and then the trees. But this corner is officially empty. I did get some things to organize in my closet, but I think I'm going to save that for another separate vlog. I still have quite a bit of like organizing to do and just finishing up little things here and there that are unfinished kind of throughout this entire place. So I think I'm going to include all of that in a different vlog because we still have to do the balcony, which I have clips here and there of that, but I'm waiting on a few more things to come in. And then I'm going to organize my makeup in my bookcases slash makeup organization closets, which is long overdue. I've been wanting to do that, and I finally found some little acrylic drawers and organizers from Amazon that fit perfectly in there because they're a little bit slimmer than an average bookcase, so I couldn't go to like the container store and get them from there. So I'm gonna, like I said, do that in another vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. My hair, I have it slicked back, but it did come out really good and I'm happy with the color and everything. I'll leave any details, and then if I can get a coupon code from e.salon as well, I'll leave it down below in the description box. Really quick pause, I was able to get a link with e.salon that'll get you your very first hair dye kit for only $10. Plus, if you're interested in the color I used, I'll put that below as well. But huge thanks to e.salon for sponsoring part of today's vlog. But thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video or my next vlog.